I just got new package from H&M, so I'm so excited to see how it looks like. Let's go. So first outfit is this top with jeans. I actually like these jeans a lot. Yeah, so top is not actually my style. This stuff, it's kind of too much. But anyway, it looks cute together. What do you think? So this skirt with long tail. I really like this one. This one stays. A nice stretchy material, really lightweight. Skirt you can adjust in the way you like. I like when this tail stays long. Skirt is not stretchy, like at all. It's really lightweight. This one is small. I would probably try order a medium size, so then it's going to be a little bit longer and more close here. So we'll see. I think I will try medium size also, but even like that, I like it. So this is Stella McCartney set. So Stella McCartney with H&M, big collaboration. This summer set really look like pajama. I'm not sure I'm gonna wear this. I don't really like the overall look. I don't know. It's kind of nice, but like for 200, I don't think it's worth it. So next item is these shorts, lace shorts. Also look like pajama. Now it's a trend, as you know, so I like this shirt. I laced it, so it's pretty nice. These flip-flops. So this shirt I will keep also. They are of course not stretchy at all. They have these shorts in two colors, black and I guess pink or something. Oh my god, it's kind of too girly for me and look really strange. Yes, definitely not my style.